if you want to learn a little bit more around programming, there are even apps that make it really easy. So there's something called Mimo, which is an app that you can download on your phone and learn to code. Google has an app on this as well. So it's fairly, today, everything's, compared to when I learned programming in 1997, things have changed quite a lot. It's developed significantly. The programming languages, the capabilities have also become a lot more user-friendly. So it's almost like learning a new language. It's not as difficult as one would imagine, like it used to be, for example. I don't know if you remember, but we used to have these SQL codes and MS-DOS, those were those were the old days. And today you don't have to go through those pain anymore. It's fairly easy to learn programming languages and coding today.
I'm not even remembering, okay? That's how I started my career, because at the time SQL was a high abstract level of managing the data and manipulating the data pieces and in structured databases. So at the time it was huge progress from assembler and C programming, which is really a hardcore skill that you have to have, and even mindset was different. So absolutely, you're speaking here with artificial intelligence experts, with data scientists. They all keep saying that these technologies now more accessible, even AI, machine learning techniques, like you said, it's higher abstract. I mean, of course, we will have the real experts who really know all the nuts and bolts behind its technology, but demand is so huge in the market that I really want to open up for anyone who is remotely possible, remotely interested, rather,
if we're
right?
just talking about artificial intelligence, the research and development in this area has been around since the 70s. So it's not a new topic, right? But over the last decade, we've seen such an incredible amount of development that's made it so much more accessible, and not just to business, but also to society as a whole. So we're seeing really incredible developments in these areas. And as a basic thing that I think most organizations should have is a way to analyze and manipulate data for decision making. This is something that every management team should have access to, a range of different types of data, big data, and a platform or a tool that allows them to manipulate that data in order to make decisions on a daily basis. So this data-based decision making is so critical, particularly now in this COVID environment, to make sure that you're going in the right direction, that you have the right analysis in order to make decisions, quick decisions as well. And so this is, I think, something that as a basis, every organization should have.
Yep, and that actually provides the opportunities on people's side to enter the field, right? And the opportunities are enormous. I mean, I cannot be more optimistic than I am right now, in a way that, yes, it's new age, yes, it's new environment we're all in, but look at the opportunities out there.